we are here at the Bengal Global Business Summit 2025, and this is the 8th edition of this initiative taken by the government of West Bengal. So today at this summit, we are expecting business leaders, industry luminaries, people from academia, entrepreneurs, people from all over the world to join us from across the globe. So let's see what this summit has in store for us.